Computer. Engine's log supplemental. Well, I've been messing with this for quite a bit of time now, right? I even built a whole nother ship, and this one still will not activate the gate. So I moved the other one out here, just to get it the hell out of my way. I use way less blocks. We know it transported down from the moon, and, you know, I hate to fixate on something like this, but it ain't working right. And I just tried it again, as is. I did try it with one pilot seat, so that's not conflicting. I only have one DHD device on here because both seats can access it. I think I have ownership of everything on this thing, so it's not an ownership issue. I'm damn sure. I mean, yeah. So, yeah, I'm not really sure why. So, I even bored this hole real big and super long to see if that had something to do with it, but no, that didn't have jack squat to do with that. So I'm not really sure why this ship, and I wish there was a way to find out why it will not activate the gate. I mean, the gate can turn on. I can turn it on. Well, you know what? I'm activating it from the ship itself with the onboard DHD. Maybe if I turn it on from here. I haven't tried that. Although I did activate it with that one DHD and then use the little guy to go through, and it works fine. So other ships do go through. Just not one. Man, that's cooler than shit, isn't it? Just not this one. Or that one. The other long one out there. I mean, I thought there was a block count, but you gotta remember, I brought it here from the moon. So it did work up there. It's just not working down here to go back. And there's nothing blocking it up there. So let's try it again now that I opened it with that DHD over there. And we'll see what happens. I'd hate to get fixated on things, but Jesus Christ, man, what the hell is going on here? This one should just go right on through up to the moon. Let's go! No, right on through to the other side, buddy. So I'm not really sure why that's going on. It's really bugging me. So for some reason, and it'll work with the little ship, the Happy Cricket goes right on through, no problem, and I can walk through, no problem. Is my helmet on? Let's test that theory. Do I have enough air, energy, oxygen, hydrogen? Yeah, let's just walk through. Here we go. Alright, look at that. That was smooth as silk. Now, if I walk back through again, I'll die. So I gotta turn it off, or wait for it to go off. Yeah, there we go. So I'm not really sure why everything goes... Oh, wow, look at that. Coincidence? Maybe not. I don't know what the hell's going on here. But I've been fixated for quite a long time. So I was going to work on that room. The room down on the planet. And close it in a bit better. No excess speed or anything. So that's a fun ride, I have to say. I like it. Yeah, I could do that all day. Although there might be some long-lasting side effects. So, okay, so for some reason I cannot get back up there with 2 large cargo containers. That is my goal. Look, look how small. It's like half the length, but it does move. I have yet to test it on the moon, but I have these T4 style thrusters going in every direction, up and down, and everything. So it should totally work, man. But I'm really pissed. I wish somebody could help me out with that. I don't have anything on there that wasn't on there before, like these pilot seats. That is unique. The landing gear is kind of a unique thing. Everything else is pretty much stock. Did I load anything over here after getting here? I mean, these lights now fit on little ships using the, you know, modification of mega small ship whatnots, and that's, I don't know if I did that before or after though. That might be the case. Maybe I gotta go over here and hack out that particular modification that I took upon myself. But anyway, I'm gonna start working in here, and I got that one out there. I'm just gonna grind it away. Although if I can figure out why it ain't working on this guy. Oh, but look at this guy. This guy is an entirely moddable thing. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Can I put, let's go here, this guy here, and is there a light in here, or does it automatically work? Yeah, this one. Let's try to slap this on this little guy and see if that causes a problem. Yeah, tail light will work. Let's see if, do I have anything on me? Yes, I do. Alright, so now we'll test this guy to see if it still activates it, because, yeah, that's part of the same modification. No gate found. I think I have to modify the name of this guy to be 2. And we'll see if I can get up there with this one. Now that I have that little light on there. Because maybe it's a little light. I don't know. I just don't know. Here we go. Yeah, wow, okay. So we made it through, no problem. And we'll go ahead and modify that again and go back. So yeah, that was actually slick as hell, really. I mean, that was smooth sailing right there, Jackson. And look, there's nothing here blocking anything at all. That thing is not blocking any, is it? No, that is not considered in the way. I mean, I could understand if it was, you know, sensing something. No, because the other one should have sensed the damn door. Okay, here we go. Easy, go slow. You don't want to rear end that damn thing. Okay, well, I rear-ended it a couple times. So, yeah, there was a little bit of excess speed there. Damn it. Let's go park this dangerous son of a bitch. I swear to God, this little guy is going to kill me. So, okay, so it is not the Mega Mod Pack. I'm not really sure what's going on here, but it's really starting to piss me off. I guess I'll just, do I have any plates on me? I got 4. That ain't gonna work. Let's go over here. And yeah, I got a reactor right here by the seat. Whatever. I got enough there. I got about 100 on me. Uranium, that is. Let's just put it in here. And get some damn steel. And I think I need to make more steel plates, so let's do that. Wait, here's some. We need to make some more. No, not you. Yes, you. Oh, those are components. What's this? Dense steel plate. No, I just want regular steel plates. Is that this guy? Wait a minute, what do you mean I don't have any iron? I made sure I had iron. There we go. We're gonna need a lot of those, so let's just keep that going. Yeah, because I really kind of wanted to close this in. Does my jetpack sound a little different? Oh, I didn't grind it away enough, or drill it away enough. Nope, I didn't check my bottles. I get a little low, but when I won't kill myself falling to the ground. So I figure once I get this closed in, I'll feel a little better. I don't need the, you know, any atmosphere in here, so that's good. Yeah, is there a different sound to my jetpack? Sounds like it. And I don't think I have a welding ship here. Do I? Yes, back at the base I do. But I'll probably just do this by hand. Anyway, so that's what I'm working on today, is kind of closing this place in. I will make it bigger beyond the main walls. I started thinking I probably should have put the reactor and stuff behind the walls, but whatever. As long as I have it there to work for me, that's fine. And this seems to work, so that's nice. Just don't accidentally convert your base to ship and everything's okay. All this rock around me makes me remember when I used to go spelunking in Arizona. God, I kind of miss that. Climbing down some damn scary ass cave. Oops. I gotta run out of hydrogen here pretty quick. It's coming along pretty good. I mean, I could be back at the main base. What would I be doing? Oh, I think I could finish that hangar access from underneath the saucer there I started. I got started on that. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I never did finish it. I remember that I rebuilt the stairs and I ran out of plates at some point. I never did finish that. I have to remember to tackle that when I get back there. Yeah, I'm gonna run out of hydrogen and fall to the ground. Go. Get it, get it, get it. Is it just me or does my jetpack sound different? I don't know. Oh, you bastard. Now I can do some welding. Okay, almost. So go fill those up real quick before I face plant right on the ground. Crack my damn. Oh, put that away. Jeez, remember what happened last time? Yeah, that was weird. All right, let's see here. I gotta keep remembering to take my damn helmet off. Any more plates? Oh, I could have grabbed it through there. Let's grab some more plates. There we go. Let's grab some of those bastards. I'm gonna do some welding. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Anyway, I'm really pissed about the ship not activating the wormholes, so I'm not really sure if there's an explanation for that. I looked around, I couldn't find any documentation saying there's a limit on blocks to use or that there's any kind of a conflict. with any possible modifications. I didn't say anything about that. That'd be nice to know. But yeah, I actually threw in the trash a few log files of me messing with that damn thing, man. I was like so pissed. And so I just said, nah. It looks like I'm fixating, so I threw them in the trash. And I figured I'd come back in here, give it one more crack, and get the welding, man. Now I could have done this off log, all this welding, and then just kind of update it later. I don't have any adventures to go on at this point. Alright, where am I at? Okay. Damn it. But yeah, you ever just get so pissed and then you're like, that might not be wise. Why is that the default one? Oh, did I take them all? Yeah, must have done. Alright, let's see how much. God, I need to make a whole bunch more of those. Assembler 2. I'm gonna need a. Is there a. I don't know what the modifier key is for this, but. That should hold me over for a minute. Let that go. What happens if I turn off my jetpack? Ah! Oh, none. But that's pretty cool. Yeah, and I'll probably go ahead and wall this in. And just, you know, make a tunnel, I guess. And really the red only has to come back as far as that one. I think this is the end of the danger zone. Or I'll wall it up and then just put a door there maybe, or a hatch. Not really sure if I'm going to go all the way through the mountain there. I almost did. But I just thought the ship wouldn't go through because there was not enough space behind the ring. I don't think that's how it works, but... yeah. What I should have done is just back into it that very first day when it worked. You know, turn it back on and just back up. But now I set it up. I was digging through some personal logs over here and came across, was it Ensign Colin or something? And he's was an engineer in practice. And he said, you know, that he had an idea of a two-headed ship. So I thought, yeah, I'll try that. You know, that way you can just have the atmospheric engines on one side and then the space engines on the other. And I only have to go one direction to get here and one direction to get back. Yeah, didn't work. Didn't work. Nothing worked. Not even my original one. So, god damn it. Damn it. And you know what? I need to make me a... and where would I make it? I guess right up there. I just need a small cargo container. Let's see, do I have one in my hotbar? Just for quick access. Number 7. I probably don't have what's it take to start one. Yeah, interior plates. You know, you should be able to access through a conveyor, damn you. Damn you! So, interior plates. Motors, computers, small steel tubes. Wow. 40, 40, and 20. So, 40, 40, 40. Oh, small steel tubes. And what else was there? One display, which makes sense. And some grid. One display. Hey, wait, do I not? Oh, here we go. So one display and one grid. Yeah, that's the ticket. If you can carry it, grab it. That's my motto, man. I don't give a shit. Grab too much of everything and most likely you'll be alright. Computers! Damn you, computer! Oh, sorry. Disregard. Alright, where are you? Thingamajiggies. There you are. There we go, just one of those. Yeah. Okay, now I can access shit from down over here without having to run over there and crank a neck. Crick a neck, I guess I should say. And what are these, man? I gotta get rid of some of that stuff. I don't know what to do with it. Yeah, I don't know what to do with that. I had to get some welding done, so I figured, what the hell? I just abandoned the Wilson up on the moon. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I thought about using it to, you know, scout for asteroids. But I have plenty to mine right there on the actual moon. I really don't need to do that. And I built that damn ship to get to the moon, and here I am finding a Stargate and walking through a puddle just to get there. God, unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. What's up with this guy not fitting? You fit everywhere else, but not right here, eh? Alright. Oh god, dirt right in the eye. Dirt in the eye. But yeah, I don't have any adventures to go on at the moment. I would like to try out the other 11 gates at some point. See what the hell's going on out there, I reckon. Yeah. Yeah, get that guy in there. Ah! Watch out. Well. Go. Flying around like I'm on a goddamn asteroid or something. Easy. I should put one down here for stability. Yeah, so I'm thinking I need to do some exploration. That's kind of what I want to do. Although I like to, you know, build the base, man. I mean, gotta kind of do it. I'm not really into that whole speed build thing. I'd rather just go at the real speed it takes to build shit. I have done that before, but not because it was requested or anything, but I mean, you can play my log file back any speed you want. Yeah, I think what I need to do is finish off this part of the base, get it closed in at least so it looks kind of habitable, and then I need to do more mining for sure. And I need to find, well, do I? I don't, I was looking for the fuel for that Nakwata generator thing. But I don't know what goes in it. Nothing I tried to shove in that damn thing goes in it. I don't understand that. It looked like a pretty neat, wow, that was kind of a tight little claustrophobic goddamn area right there, wasn't it? There we go. A little bit of acrobat going on there. Okay, now I know where I'm at. You know how you kind of... Oh, you son of a bitch. Kind of acrobat around every now and again. There we go. Easy, easy. Now, how come I can fit one there? That one in the ceiling was giving me grief. There we go. I don't know if I'm working on the floor or the ceiling or what. Let's turn this off and see. Oh, floor. There was no up and down up in the Asteroid Wars, man. It was just wherever you were walking was down. Try to get what I can without flying real quick. I mean, it's not like I have to seal this for atmosphere or anything, but, you know. Okay. That's a lot of welding. You'd think I'd get my welding ship over here, but, you know, whatever. Kind of a little hands-on, never killed anybody. Yeah, I need to know what I need to do. I don't even know if there's other planets in this system. I'm pretty sure it's just the moon and this one planet. But with the Stargate, I can now go to a whole other system and see what the hell's going on around here. But yeah, I might run into some bad guys. I don't really want to do that. Hey, wait a minute. What's that whole... Oh, I missed a whole row there. These goddamn plates. So yeah, I'm still... If, you know, if there's a way for me to find out what the hell is the limit on ship size, even though it goes through one way but not the rest, I'd really like to know about that. Might be the only one in the universe to ever have that problem. But I'll keep going through the crew log and see if I come across anything, some feedback that might help me out. But we're making some headway here, and that's all that matters, really. I feel like I'm accomplishing something. People are gonna find my dead corpse up here one day and go, what the hell was this guy doing? No, I'm actually gonna have to build me another starship and figure out the whole warp drive thing. Maybe I can incorporate, or maybe I can find some kind of a homeworld with the gate. Maybe it somehow locks back into something near Earth or something. Never know. If there was one by Earth, I think somebody would have found it by now. Get it. Reach in it. Close enough. Alright, what's over here? Man, there's a lot of welding going on. Let's get this guy. Yeah, so I'll get this welding done off log. Just want to get some of it. See where I'm going with this, right? I'm gonna probably wall this in and put a door there. So maybe when we activate, maybe I'll get a timer block or something. So when I activate the DHD, the door in the back opens. That would be kind of cool, wouldn't it? You know, to open it up for the blast hole. That might be interesting. But why? Why won't this thing frickin' work, man? Somebody's got to know. I just want to kick it. There we go. Will it work now? That's how they fix stuff in Russia, I heard. I saw that in the movie once. Just kick that son of a bitch and maybe it'll work. But for some reason, that thing is not seeing this thing as an entity. Wait, hey, hang on. Let's get info on it. Wait a minute. Oh, wait. You can't do that. You gotta actually get in it. And get info. Yeah, so it's kind of weird how they ran this destructible block right into the name. That's, I mean, what? You couldn't move it down? Damn it. What's going on? Oh, my helmet's off. Helmet's off. I'm dying. Heat. I mean, not heat. Health. There we go. Holy shit, I was about ready to croak. That has sucked. I'm really trying not to croak. And what? Oh, shouldn't this thing be charging up my oxygen? Or does that not? It's piped in. Let's get in here. Yeah, this does do the oxygen and hydrogen. Interesting that. Alright. So, put the helmet on. Yeah, so I can't figure out, is there something on here? Is there something in here? I don't know. I don't see anything that would cause the gate to ignore the ship. It's annoying. I could be hauling back all kinds of frickin' ore. Okay, so here's the block count. 150 blocks. Non-armor, 120. Conveyors, 89. Thrusters, 52. Lights, 21. Really? I got 21 lights on this goddamn thing? 2 spotlights. Gravity generator, 0. Artificial mass, 0. Triangles. 114,192. Grid mass. 122,844. See, I don't know if there's a limit to the gate. Grid mass and triangles. Not exactly sure what that... What does this say when I hover? Number of triangles for drawing. Technical information. Higher numbers affect performance. Interesting. Grid. Nothing. Alright, so I'm at a loss for this stupid thing. I'd really like to... Is my light burn out again? God damn it. Damn it. There it is. Piece of crap. Made in China, probably. Anyway, so I just want to kind of show you what I'm doing around here. I'm going to close this thing in, and I'll catch you guys next time, but... And I hated to waste your time with the whole welding thing, but yeah, that's just going to happen. Whatever happens, happens. Didn't you, get the memo? And if anybody knows why the frick that ship ain't being activated, leave it in your personal log, and I'll find it here in the future. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. So, yeah. You guys have a good one. Computer! In log.